I'm your man K Smooth, and welcome back to another edition of RWKSD. And I'm doing a before shot of my 2026 Toyota Tundra. I'm here out at the Tint place. The name of the place is Natchez Glass. Here's the address. And phone number. We have this right here. And this is the inside, you guys. So if you guys need a tint, come on by. So this is a before shot that I'm doing. You know, it comes factory tint with the rear and the front. Doesn't have any tint. So what I'm gonna get my man to do is tint my front and see if I can get him to get on this video with me. Okay, you guys, I'm out with my man Ryder, and he's at the Natchez Tint, and he's going to explain to you exactly what I'm getting done.
Yeah. What he's doing to his truck is called Apex Nano Ceramic. It's our top tier film that cuts out 80 to 85% of the heat. And these are what it all does. Our 5%, it shows you all the different things. You see with our 5%, it stops 90%, 90. They all stop a whole lot of heat. Mm-hmm. With him, like, you're not gonna be able to feel none of that heat coming through at all. It's gonna keep your truck all cool. When that air's on, you're gonna get cold quick. I have an old truck that air conditioner barely works. Put that Apex in there, and I mean, it freezes it out.
Okay, so that's the name of it, Apex.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how long has Apex been around?
Apex, with this film, it's been around since 2005.
2005.
I don't know. There's more likely other companies that sell the Apex, mm-hmm. that top tier ceramic, but mm-hmm. the ones that we're using came out in 2005.
Okay. So you guys, you heard that from a man Ryder, and this is my 2026 Toyota Tundra. I showed you the before shot, and after a while, I will show you the after shot. Stick around, guys. I'll be right back. Thanks, Ryder.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
That I just giving that to you so you can see what it all does.
Okay.
But that film there is the best one.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. I told you I was going to show you the after video of my 2026 Toyota Tundra. I think she looks great. Let me know what you guys think. I think she looks great. This is the after version. Show the windows. It looks like it's real dark, but it's 35%, you guys. And you can see the difference between the front and back. Just gonna give you an overall view. Show you this side of it. Came out extremely well. And the Apex ceramic windows film, I had it done all the way around. You know, the vehicle comes with the back glass and the side back glass already tinted. So I had the front tinted, and I got a bra. You can see it. They put a bra on there for me also. And you keep the sun glare out early in the morning or late in the evening when the sun is going down, and it's right in your eyes. So they did the Apex Nano Ceramic window film all the way around. So I got it replaced in my back glass, my side glasses, and my back glass as well. So I have the front, sides, and back done. And this is the after version of it. And I think it came out real well. So let me know what you guys think about it. And you guys, thanks for tuning in. See you guys on the next video.